Scooby Bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Spooky Castle, Part 1.
What? You want to remodel that castle hotel? Oh, no. That's more work than I can handle, Mr. Richie. I think you may have to find another contractor.
Hello?
In the office of Shopaholics Limited, Richie the koala, the owner of the company, put the phone down with his eyebrows furrowed in an expression of concern.
Alas, what should I do now? I thought buying that castle for such a low price was a steal. I just knew I'd make lots and lots of money turning it into a castle-themed amusement park. It never occurred to me that there were ghosts in the castle. No wonder it was so cheap. Now every construction company is scared to take on this job. This is so frustrating.
Suddenly, there was a quick burst of drum-like banging on the office door. It almost caused Richie to fall to the floor in fright. Three tigers with black stripes pushed their way into the small office and slammed their claws down on the table in unison.
Mr. Richie, we black tiger families can get the job done.
Jeez!
Startled by the roar of noises, Richie fell off his chair.
Shh, please, lower your voice. Really? Are you serious?
Richie crawled rapidly out from under the table, his eyes wide with surprise. Three tigers were standing in front of him. Weren't they from...
But isn't Black Tiger Families is a moving company? I'm looking for a construction crew.
Consigliere Ron, look how famous Black Tiger Families is, Capo Don said, proudly nudging Consigliere Ron with his elbow.
Absolutely. That's because of Boss Bond's great leadership.
Exactly. It's all thanks to Boss.
Well...
Boss Bond waved his hand modestly.
We did it together! Oh, Mr. Richie, moving is not the only service we Black Tiger families can offer. Renovation, appliance maintenance, toilet cleaning. If you can think of it, we can do it. Oh, guys, what is the service motto of the Black Tiger families?
Immediately and in unison, Consigliere Ron and Capo Don stood at attention, with their shoulders rolled back and chests poked out.
Do my best work, be the best employee I can be. Meow.
That is the fiercest and loudest meow I think I've ever heard.
Richie could feel his little heart pounding, and after taking a breath, he continued.
Well, have you heard that the castle is haunted by ghosts?
Haunted by what? Seeing that Capo Don, the timidest of the three, had almost jumped out of his skin, Consigliere Ron hurried forward and covered Capo Don's mouth. Richie looked at Capo Don, white with terror, suspiciously.
You guys really dare take on this job?
Boss Bond took a big step to the side, blocking Richie's view, and confidently assured him.
Certainly! We tigers are the boldest. Nothing scares us. Don't worry about a thing. Just leave it to us.
Exactly! Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, okay. Please, take it.
It was pitch dark when the three Tiger brothers arrived at the castle carrying their tools. An old and ruined castle stood solitary in the darkness, surrounded by several scattered trees lying dead on the ground. They looked like big, scary hands in the moonlight. Boss Bond opened the castle gate and led the way inside.
Well, let's get some rest tonight, shall we? And start the work tomorrow.
Well, boss, can I stay with you tonight? Capo Don clasped Boss Bond's hand tightly, clinging to him like a piece of chewing gum.
Oh, come on! Don't Don't act like a spoiled child, dude. You are a grown tiger.
But I'm scared, boss. This place is haunted.
Boss Bon interrupted Capo Don with a wave of his hand.
That's just nonsense. Look at you, Don. You are a tiger. How in the world can you be as timid as a rabbit? In fact, I think this is a good opportunity for you to gain some courage.
Suddenly, Boss Bon stopped in front of a room. Then, he quickly snatched his hand away, extended his leg, and kicked Capo Don into the room.
Here you go!
Bang! Boss Bon slammed the door and dashed off.
Come on, Don. Man up. I'll always be there for you.
Me too. Night,
Night.
Boss, run!
The next morning, a ray of sunlight filtered through the window into the castle. Then, all of a sudden, a strange cry came from the room where Capo Don had spent the night.
Yeah!